Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X80 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll a little and find security and location. And here in the device security, we've got the fingerprint, so let's tap on it. Now your device is telling you that you will be able to unlock with your device with a fingerprint. Let's click on next. Here you will have to confirm the whole step with your pattern or a pin if you have one. If not, your device will ask you to set the new one. So let me enter it. And as you can see, at this step we will have to touch the sensor. The sensor is in the back of the phone. Let me show you, it's right here. So let me touch it. And as you can see, now we will have to touch it again and lift a few times. Let's put our finger on the sensor, and as you can see, now I am adding my fingerprint to this device's memory. And let's try to add every corner for better recognition. Okay, as you can see, we've just added the fingerprint. If you want, you can add another. If not, simply click on done. Let's tap on the fingerprint. Let's confirm the pattern, and as you can see here, we've got our fingerprint added. Here we've got some finger functions, and as you can see, we can touch click, so we can take a photo. You can customize it if you want. So now let's block our device and let's check if it is working. So now I'm putting the finger on the sensor, and as you can see, this device is unblocked, so we've successfully added our fingerprint. So that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your DOOGEE X80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.